Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's daily market update. Today's June 11th, and I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox here at OptionsXO headquarters in the UK. Let's take a look at today's daily announcements on Forex Factory. Early in the morning, we could see house price balance coming in at 34%, close to forecast at 35% for the pound, followed by we also have manufacturing index negative 6.0 compared to forecast 3.2, so that hurt the yen slightly, and we saw that later on as well. We see Australian dollars employment change as well as unemployment rate. Employment change at 42. Wow, very big numbers there, surprising a forecast of 12.1 thousand, and also unemployment rate of 6%. That's edging underneath 6.2% forecasted. And also the MI inflation expectations came in at 3% compared to the previous 3.6%, so a slight decrease there. Chinese yuan industrial production year-on-year resulted in 6.1%, close to forecast at 6%. Fixed asset investment year-to-date on year, and also retail sales year-on-year at 11.4% and 10.1% respectively. We also had European French non-farm payrolls on the quarterly with 0%. That was actually positive compared to forecast negative 0.1%. We also see French CPI month on month at 0.2% underneath forecasted 0.3%. So that's a slight decline in inflation there. Later on, Chinese yuan hit new loans at $901 billion, as well as M2 money supply year on year at 10.8% above forecasted 10.6%. At 10:30, we saw 30-year bond auctions for the pound at 2.86 basis points to 1.6 basis points. And later on in the afternoon, starting around 1:30, we have a unloading of announcements here for the Canadian dollar and also the US dollar. So start off with the Canadian dollar, NHPI month on month, forecasted at 0.2%, followed by capacity utilization rate at 83.1%. And then we have the major USD announcements, core retail sales month on month, retail sales month on month, and unemployment claims. Unemployment claims forecasted at 277,000, previous resulted in 276,000, so a slight increase. But if we see any numbers that are less than 277, we're going to see a very massive increase in the dollar, and that's going to push that, especially for assets like euro dollar, down through the floor. We also have import prices month on month forecasted at 0.9%, previous of negative 0.3%. And at 3 o'clock, business inventories month on month forecasted 0.2%. Later on, to wrap up the end of the trading day, we have a mixed match of Canadian U.S. announcements from Financial Bank of Canada System Financial Review, as well as natural gas storage for the U.S., and also 30-year bond auctions for the dollar. Last but not least, way before the end of the day, we have Business New Zealand Manufacturing Index and also FPI month on month. If we take a look at the charts so far for progress, we can see a number of things. Pound dollar at 1.547, decreasing slightly early from the morning start. We also see gold taking a nosedive to 1179.84. This is much under the 1190 that we see recently that happened yesterday, just before around 5 o'clock. Euro dollar at 1.12729, taking a little bit of an increase and then decrease as we saw those production numbers for the French side kind of weaken the euro there. Dow Jones finished strong yesterday at 18,000, just above there. We saw it ranging around 17,750, and there was that beautiful 250-point increase there. DAX also finished strong. It's still doing well at the moment, 11,357. FTSE coming back up early this morning, 6,860. We also have euro pound down to 0.72 now. We also saw a peak or trough is close to 0.7. So if it breaks that 0.7 support line, that could mean more bad news for the euro pound, and good news for the pound, of course. WTI crude position 1, or oil, is at 60.97, so just resting underneath $61, and dollar yen at 123.6 and inclining. Thanks again for watching today's daily market update. You can get more daily market updates by going to our YouTube channel and searching daily market update, or searching OptionsXO and finding our YouTube channel, where we have our daily market update playlist. Keep in mind, we do have webinars coming up this week. Tomorrow, lesson number 4, Introduction to Fundamental Analysis, as well as lesson 6, Fundamental Analysis Part 2. Take care, folks. Have a good day in the trading room, and see you out there. Have a good one.